Packs move across the plains, through the oceans or the air. It seems like no matter where you look in nature, the animals that live there are social creatures who rely on each other to survive. Sometimes they have to work together to take down prey or protect themselves against an even greater threat. They are also known as painted dogs or Cape hunting dogs. And they are found in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. These intelligent creatures are known for their grace and cuteness, and they are a delight to behold. These birds are highly social animals, and they typically live in groups that can number in the hundreds or even thousands. Flocks of starlings are known for their incredible aerial displays as they move through the air. In unison, they create a stunning sight that has been compared to a single organism. Starling murmurations are also a fascinating example of collective behavior. When threatened by predators, starlings will gather together in large flocks. This makes it difficult for predators to target individual birds, and it also confuses them with the sheer number of darting wings and flashing feathers. Starlings use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other. They can produce a range of sounds, including calls, songs, and alarm notes. These sounds are used for a variety of purposes, such as attracting mates, defending territory, and warning of predators. Starlings are primarily herbivorous, and they feed on a variety of insects and fruit. They are also known for their intelligence and their ability to adapt to new situations. Although starlings are generally not targeted by predators, they can sometimes fall victim to cats, hawks, and snakes. When attacked, starlings will use their speed and agility to try to escape. They are also capable of fighting back using their sharp beaks and claws. Some species of starling are able to mimic the calls of other birds, and this ability has made them popular as cage birds. Despite their small size, starlings are powerful animals. They live in large flocks, and they are able to defend themselves against predators. Their aerial displays are truly a sight to behold, and their intelligence and adaptability are truly impressive. Dolphins are highly social animals, and they typically live in pods that can number up to several dozen individuals. But sometimes it's better to rely on your wits and work together with your peers to achieve a common goal. Whether it's taking down large prey or protecting yourself from predators, unity can be a powerful tool. Wolves, African wild dogs, dolphins, and starlings all show us how working together can help you succeed against seemingly insurmountable odds. And while these, for examples, are just a small sampling of the many ways that unity can help animals survive, they are a powerful reminder that sometimes the greatest strength comes from the bonds we share with others. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Pods are made up of related females and their offspring, and males will often leave their birth pod to join another one. Dolphins are highly cooperative hunters, and they will work together to capture prey. One of the techniques they use is called bubble net hunting. This involves creating a wall of bubbles to herd fish into a tight ball before snatching them up. Dolphins are able to communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and gestures. They can produce a wide range of vocalizations, including whistles, clicks, and pulses. These sounds are used for a variety of purposes, such as locating prey, communicating with other dolphins, and defending their territory. Dolphins are highly intelligent creatures, and they are also known for their playfulness. They are often seen swimming and surfing on the bow waves of boats, and they will also play with each other using objects like seaweed and shells. Although dolphins are primarily hunted by humans, they can sometimes fall victim to other predators, such as sharks and killer whales. When attacked, dolphins will use their speed and agility to try to escape. They are also capable of fighting back using their sharp teeth and powerful tails. Dolphins are truly amazing creatures. They are highly social and intelligent animals who live in pods and hunt cooperatively. They use a variety of sounds and gestures to communicate with each other, and they are also known for their grace, playfulness, and friendliness to humans. Despite their popularity as pets and tourist attractions, dolphins should be respected for the powerful, intelligent, and independent creatures they are. African wild dogs are highly social animals, and they live in packs that can number up to 20 individuals. Packs are made up of related females, their pups, and one dominant male. The females in the pack are the ones who do most of the hunting. They are skilled trackers, and they use their stamina to chase down prey. Once the prey has been located, the dogs use their speed and agility to take it down. African wild dogs are known for their incredible empathy. If one of their pack members is injured, the others will help to care for them. They will bring food and water to the injured dog, and they will also help to protect them from predators. This level of care and compassion is truly remarkable, and it shows the strong bonds that these dogs have with each other. Like wolves, African wild dogs are also vulnerable to attacks from other predators. Lions, leopards, and hyenas are all known to prey on African wild dogs. When under attack, the dogs will try to defend themselves with their sharp teeth and claws. But sometimes they have to retreat to safety. African wild dogs are amazing hunters, and they are also incredibly empathetic animals. They live in close-knit packs and they rely on each other for help when needed. No matter what challenges they face, these brave canines always seem to come out on top. And that's why they are truly the kings and queens of the savannah. In these situations, unity can be a powerful tool for survival. So let us take a look at 4 packs taking on predators, and see what happens when the power of the pack is unleashed. When most people think of wolves, they picture lone wolves. Lone wolves are often portrayed as moody loners who would rather be by themselves than part of a pack. But this isn't how wolves behave in the wild. Gray wolves typically live in packs led by a breeding female and male. These two are parents to all the pups in the group, and they make up the nucleus of the family unit. Other members of the wolf pack are related to the parents either through their mother or father, but sometimes unrelated wolves will join the pack as well. Pack sizes vary greatly depending on things like food availability and territory size. And the smallest wolf pack may consist of just a mated pair, while the largest can number over 100 individuals. The wolves in a pack are highly organized and have a strict hierarchy. The parents are at the top of the totem pole, followed by their adult offspring. Next come the yearlings, which are juveniles that are almost fully grown, and finally, the pups. This hierarchy helps keep the peace in the pack and ensures that everyone knows their place. It also helps during meals when the higher-ranking wolves eat first. Wolf packs rely on strategy to hunt their prey. They use their keen senses of hearing and smell to track down animals to eat, and they communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including howls, barks, and growls. The parents usually lead the hunts, with the adults taking point and the pups bringing up the rear. Once the pack has located its prey, it will use a combination of speed and agility to take it down. Wolves typically hunt large ungulates such as deer and elk. They chase their prey until it tires, and then they bring it down with their sharp teeth and claws. The wolves then eat their kill, and any leftovers are saved for the pups. Even though they are apex predators, wolves still have to watch out for other predators. They will sometimes fight with each other and even bears for food, and sometimes they have to flee from a more powerful predator like a tiger. When a wolf pack faces off against another predator, the outcome can vary depending on the size and strength of the two opponents. However, wolves are highly adaptable animals, and they will do whatever it takes to survive. If that means running away from a fight, so be it. But if it means standing their ground and fighting back, then the wolves will do that too. There's safety in numbers, and that's something that these hunters understand very well. As long as they stay together and stick to their strategy, wolf packs are a force to be reckoned with. And even the most dangerous predators think twice before trying to take them on. African wild dogs are some of the most extreme team workers in the animal kingdom. There's nothing quite like watching a pod of dolphins playing in the ocean. Starlings are small songbirds that are found in both the Old and New worlds. In the wild, strength isn't everything. Sure, being bigger and tougher than your opponent is a great way to ensure your survival.